So this is our Every Plate box, and this is the first time we've used them. So I'm opening it, and these are the recipe cards that came. Alright, so they pack it in these freezer packs, so if you're not home, it's okay. Your food's gonna stay cold and fresh.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Is it cold?
Yeah. You're making your bowl. What is this?
So everything that we need to make these meals came in the box. And then here are the meats.
This is in Swain. Some of this is in, what is this? What?
They all sound really good. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
All right, so tell them to stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right, so we'll see you when we make one of these meals.
Make one of these meals.
So this is the second meal that we've made with Every Plate.
And
Super simple. And I was able to make it on my lunch break.
anytime.
Okay, you guys, another successful Every Plate meal was made. Here's the card. Spicy stuffed chicken sausage, well, spicy chicken sausage stuffed peppers. Here's all the ingredients. And I left out the chili pepper because it's going to be Landon and I eating this. And I didn't want to risk it being too spicy. So I left that out. Here's the rest of them. Here. This is for the 2-person. And I have Landon's here, and I'm going to give him like half of a bell pepper. So, this one looks pretty good as far as portion goes. The last meal that we had, the gooey stuffed pork burgers, we weren't super impressed with the portion size. Like the potatoes, it was like enough for 1 person. So, for a family of 3, I definitely would say you need the 4-person plan. But my husband is a firefighter and he's not home all the time, so this amount of food is really good for me and my 3-year-old. So yeah, I'm really loving Every Plate. And Landon is helping me cook, and he loves that, and it helps him get interested in eating some different types of food. So I really love that. I'm taking a video. What do you think about the meal we just made?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And like
Can you tell them what it is?
chicken sausage.
That's right. And bell peppers
And bell peppers.
with cheese and couscous.
And there's so many.
That's so many things.
I want to eat.
You want to eat?
Yeah. I'm done.
Let's make sure it's cool enough, okay?
Don't touch it.
Can you touch it? Is it cool enough? All right, you can feed yourself.
What is that?
It's the chicken and the couscous. Do you want me to help you?
I got it. I like couscous.
Yeah, you like couscous? Thumbs up? Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy. All right, I'm gonna eat mine now. Mine's nice and intact here. I cut yours up for you. All right, let's eat our yummy food. All right, so we have another box. This is our 3rd box. This is skillet apple pork chops, garlic rosemary chicken, and quick Arrabiata pasta. So that sounds pretty good. And they really insulated it this time. So quite a bit in here. Okay, so here's the second layer. There's this big old ice pack in here, which you can totally reuse. Of course, you end up with like quite a few of those after you've done this a few times. So this is the bacon and the boneless, skinless chicken breasts and the boneless pork chops. So we have a new meal tonight. Quick Arrabiata pasta. Here are all the ingredients. It says it'll take 30 minutes. Here are the steps.
And the bacon is melted up 30 seconds.
So right now Landon's helping me. We're cooking the onion. We've already cooked the bacon and the pasta. And then now we are on the step where we add the garlic, oregano, and chili flakes. And then finish up. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out. How is it?
Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Oh, did you get some on your hands? All right, I'll get you a napkin. Okay, so we have the pasta here all done. And I also used the green beans from a different meal because I knew that Nate wouldn't like the green beans, so I thought they would go well with this meal. So there's bacon and Parmesan and red pepper flakes on top. And then I put a little bit of regular cheese on Landon's because I knew he would like cheddar cheese more. You like cheddar cheese?
I want some bacon.
Want some bacon?
Mm-hmm.
You want it with the pasta?
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Is it good?
You make the best food ever.
Thank you. Did you help me make it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, so we're a good team, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, definitely recommend this. Super easy and fun to make. And perfect portion for me and Landon when Nate is at work on shift nights.